Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have November's Glossybox. Do you want to know what's inside my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So Glossybox for November just arrived. They do send me this for review, so thank you so much Glossybox for sending me your box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. Now you guys, if you didn't see my advent calendar from the Glossybox, they actually still have that available. So if you're still looking for a gift idea for you or for another, or a combined, you want to use some for stocking stuffer, some for you, you can definitely still grab it while they still have a few available. So I do want to let you know, as of right now, they do still have a few available. Limited quantities are left. So there you go. Let's go ahead and dive into the November beauty box. Let's see what is going to be in here. And I did have it. Yep, it's upside down. Let's go ahead and dive in. Okay, so when you first open up the box, there's the brochure right here with this gorgeous woman right on the top. And this will go over the items inside the box, and it'll actually give you the retail value as well. Even if it's like a mini or a deluxe sample, it'll give you the value for that particular size. So when you first open it up, you do have the black ribbon that is holding the tissue paper with the sticker. I always save the ribbons. You never know when you're gonna need a ribbon. I save them, and I save the boxes because they're constructed so well that you can repurpose the boxes. So when we get inside, a sneak peek, a sneak peek to the inside of this box looks like that. Okay, so the first item is actually down in bubble wrap. We have a 4-quad eyeshadow palette, and that is by Cella Beauty. Ooh, that is actually really pretty. This is a travel size, and it's valued for $20. It says the 4 shades of this palette, Charisma, Radiant, Purpose, and Intention, will transform you into a glam, confident version of yourself. Buildable and highly pigmented, this palette ensures a look that will amplify your inner and outer glow. And this can be found at Cella.com. And again, this is valued for $20. That is a really pretty palette without the plastic. There's that. I can definitely see a nice look because it has the lighter tones to the darker tones in there. But I don't normally pull smaller palettes like this, so I will save this for a future giveaway for one of you guys to actually enjoy. But those are really pretty colors. I just know it's gonna get lost in my arsenal, and I'd rather it go to somebody who would actually use it. So I will save that for one of you guys. But that again is valued for $20. So next up, we have this product right here, and it is a full size. It says Fig and Rogue Satin Soft Blurring Primer and Finishing Fix. This primer is designed to fix foundation and finish your complexion for complete matte perfection. Its silicone-free, pore minimizing, and anti-blemish qualities absorb oil, so you'll have a beautiful, smooth finish without any breakouts. And this is valued for $52. So this is way more than the entire box in one product by itself. So full size, $52, and you have a blurring primer. There's that. Number 3, we have this big guy, and this is from, I'm like, I know I saw the brand. It's on the top. Daily Sea Balancing Cleansing Balm Melt Away Sorbet. Ooh, I absolutely love cleansing balms. That's the first thing that I do before I clean my face, take a shower at night. I use a cleansing balm to take off all of this and my mascara. Then I use a normal cleanser in the shower and then tone and do whatever I want to do afterwards. So a cleansing balm is a must in my house. I have to use this thing every single day. I absolutely love them. This is a full size product, and this is valued for $48. So these two products right here are $100 by itself. Holy moly, this is a good box this month. Let's get this guy out of the box. It says on here for directions, scoop a generous amount of the product with a spatula, massage over dry skin in circular motions, and then rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water. So just like any other normal cleansing balm, that's how you use it. And I'm so excited. And $48, holy moly, I'm definitely excited to try this out. So this one here says, infused with plant-derived extracts, this facial cleansing balm helps to effortlessly dissolve stubborn makeup and impurities. It's to help support a clear and radiant complexion. And again, I love me some cleansing balms. So it does have a little scooper outer right there on the top of the lid that you can use. And then the actual product looks like that. There's not really a scent. It just kind of normally smells like any other cleansing balm that I do use. So there's that. I'm super excited about that one. Now we have is something here. It says commodity paper. This paper, lightweight and effortless. Paper opens with a unique and woodsy molecular note. And then as the minutes pass and the scent comes to life, you'll begin to notice eternal skin musk followed by a salty, sweet tail of amber. So this is like a perfume then, I'm assuming. I'm like, what is it, paper? I'm thinking they're like blotting papers or something. Like, what the hell is paper? I mean, I know what paper is, but I didn't know what this was. It looks like it would be like a little spray. So you have the spray there. So let's see what this is all about the first and second notes and this and that and changing. Let's see. Let's get it on my skin. That is very, very musky. It does tone it down a little bit after. Yeah, but at first it hit me with a very strong musky scent that wouldn't be too appealing to me. But it did dry down. It actually smells nice now. So that's different though. I've never heard of this brand before. Have you guys? This is valued for $10. The full size would be $105. So I'm so glad that you're able to try it. And I'm glad that it's a nice size, because sometimes when you get like samples of perfume, they're those teeny tiny ones. You have to pull the top off and little dabble do ya. This at least has a spray and it's a nice little size for a sample. So I do appreciate that. But you have a perfume that is like a nice musky, woodsy kind of scent to it. This is from the Beauty Corp. Oh, and this is a lip oil. Perfect. I've been really loving lip oils for a while. I just never used them until I got one from a box, and now like that's all I use every day is like lip oils now. So I'm so excited to see a lip oil. This is a full-size product valued for $12. And it says, say bonjour to your new lip obsession. This non-sticky, moisture-rich lip treatment has a pH color-changing formula that works with your unique pH levels to give you a custom shade, perfectly suited for your skin tone. It also helps keep your lips unbelievably soft and nourished. So it's going to change. Let's see. Normally when I have anything that changes, it turns to like a funky pink color, and I'm not a pinky type of gal. I do like the packaging. I do like that it looks like the solution inside is a blue color, because you know, that's my color. So let's see what happens. Like I'm going to put ooh, it smells like cherries. That smells really good. So I'm going to just put a little bit on my hand so you can see that it is a clear color when it comes out. And let's put this on my lips and see what happens. Shall we? My little tiny girls over here. It definitely smells good. It feels good. Let's see what happens if it changes colors. I'm always so nervous because I'm like, what if you turn to a color I don't want you to turn to? On my hand, it's actually turning pink. Do you see that? It's not clear anymore. See, that's what I'm saying. It's turning pink. My pH just must be set to a color that I physically don't really like because it turns pink. See, that is definitely pink. Pink. Oh, and it actually is like a tint because it literally that pinkish, my pH that changed it to pink stained my hand. So there is that lip oil right there. Again, that's valued for $12. So a quick recap for this month, you have a lip oil, you have this really nice, expensive cleansing balm, you have a perfume sample to test out, you have a full-size $50-something primer, and a 4-quad $20 Cella Beauty eyeshadow palette. So that is everything for this November box. You guys, I really do feel this was a really good box. I am really loving that you do have 3 full-size products in here, and all of these combined is over $120. So that is awesome. If you want a little bit more information about Glossybox, I will let you know right about now. I do have them linked down below. If you follow that link, you can get your very first box for only $16. And being a Glossybox member does have perks, because you can go through, once you get your products, you can go through and actually rate them, and you get points that you can use to purchase things from Look Fantastic. So you can just keep getting points and points, and you can get free products out of it. And whenever there's limited edition, special edition boxes, the advent calendars, anything like that, being an actual member, you save money on those. So I really do like the different perks about being with Glossybox. But again, you can get your very first box for $16. If you just do month to month, it's $21 per month, but you can get it as low as $18 per box if you do a full 12-month commitment, and you can cancel or pause at any given time, and you always get 5 products with a guaranteed worth of over $70 in every single box, and you get the box that you can use something with and the ribbon as well, plus the products that come inside. So that is everything that I have for you. Go ahead and comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of the products inside? I really do love this box. I think this month was really good. But let me know down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.